Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to dive into what is honestly one of the coolest and most powerful tools in Excel, a function called XLOOKUP. Seriously, if you ever work with data, this is going to be a total game changer for you.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. Your eyes are glazing over, you're looking at this giant wall of data with thousands of rows, and you just need to find that one little piece of information. It can feel completely impossible.
And look, I get it. A program like Excel can seem super intimidating, really complicated, but we're here to flip that script. We're going to take that feeling and turn it into a superpower, showing you how to make the spreadsheet work for you, not the other way around. All right, let's frame this up. For the next few minutes, we are going to become data detectives, and every good detective needs the right tools for the job. Our mission: find information and find it fast. Okay, so picture this. You've got a list of every single student in a school and all their test scores. Now, you need to find the score for just one student, let's say Carrie. You could scroll and scroll and scroll, but that's so slow, so boring, and honestly, you're just asking to make a mistake. There has to be a better way, right? Well, for a long time, the old way of doing this involved a function called VLOOKUP, but it had one huge glaring problem. It could only search for information in columns to the right of where you started. So if the student's name was here, but their score was over here, to the left, tough luck. VLOOKUP couldn't do it. It's like telling a detective, hey, you can look for clues, but only to your right. Kind of useless, right?
And this, my friends, is where our hero enters the scene. Say hello to XLOOKUP. It's the modern, super flexible, and way more powerful replacement. It's like the Swiss Army knife for finding stuff in your data.
Okay. Here's the easiest way to think about this, I promise. Imagine you've got the list of student names and, right next to it, the list of scores. Now picture running one finger down the list of names and, at the same time, your other finger is going down the list of scores. The second your first finger lands on Carrie, you stop. And your other finger? It's already pointing right at her score. That's it. That's the whole idea. Pretty cool, huh?
So let's get into how it actually thinks. Forget the complicated stuff for a second, because XLOOKUP really only needs you to answer three simple questions. First, it asks, A, what's the one thing you're trying to find? Second, it needs to know, okay, where is the list I should be looking in? And finally, got it, and which list has the information you want me to bring back?
And here's the best part. Those three simple, plain English questions line up perfectly with the actual formula you type into Excel. You just type equals XLOOKUP, and then you tell it what you're looking for, the list to search in, and the list to get the answer from. That's it. That simple little formula is going to solve like 99% of your problems.
All right, talk is cheap, right? Let's actually see this thing work. We're going to walk through a quick, real-world example right now so you can see just how easy this is. So check this out. We've got a list of songs, who sang them, and the year they came out. Simple enough. Our job? We need to figure out which artist recorded the song Leave a Light On.
Okay, let's put our three questions to work. Question 1, what are we looking for? The song title, Leave a Light On. Question 2, where should we look for it? Well, that's in our list of songs, right? Column A. Question 3, what do we want back? We want the artist's name, which is in column B. See? It's just telling Excel exactly what to do step by step.
We type that formula in, hit enter, and bam! Just like that. Instantly, Excel zips through the list, finds the match, and pulls out the answer. Belinda Carlisle. No scrolling, no guessing, no mistakes. Just a perfect answer in less than a second. But wait, there's more. Finding the artist, that's just the warm-up act. The real reason this thing is a total game changer is because it has some secret superpowers built right in. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the big one. Seriously, remember how that old VLOOKUP could only look to the right? So frustrating. Well, XLOOKUP doesn't care. It can look left, right, up, down, it doesn't matter. You could find the song title by searching for the artist's name. Total freedom. It's amazing.
Okay, moving on to another one of my favorite things about this, dealing with errors. You know, with the old way, if you looked for something and it wasn't there, you'd get this ugly, confusing #NA error. It just makes your beautiful spreadsheet look broken.
But with XLOOKUP, there's an extra little spot in the formula where you can tell it, hey, if you can't find it, just say this instead. So you can make it return a nice, clean message like student not found. It makes everything look so much more professional and, well, friendly. Now, this next one might sound a little techy, but trust me, it's a huge deal. The old VLOOKUP by default would look for an approximate match, and that could be dangerous. It could sometimes grab the wrong thing without telling you, which is, terrifying. XLOOKUP is smarter. It defaults to an exact match, which is what you want almost every single time. It just works the way you think it should work, right from the start. So what happens if the thing you're looking for appears more than once? Like maybe a customer made several purchases and you want to find their most recent one. By default, XLOOKUP is going to find the first one it sees from the top. But with just one tiny change in the formula, you can tell it, nope, start from the bottom and find the last one. So cool and so useful.
So look, when you lay it all out side by side, the choice is obvious. XLOOKUP is safer by default, it can look anywhere, it handles its own errors gracefully, and it won't break if you move your columns around. It's just better in every single way. It's the upgrade we all needed.
Whew, okay, I know that was a lot, but you made it. You've seen how it works, and you've learned its secret powers. So let's just do a quick recap of your new expert-level skills so you're ready to go. So here's what you can do now. You can find anything, no matter where it is. You can look left when you need to. You can build cleaner spreadsheets with custom messages. You can be confident you're getting the right answer every time. And you can do it all with a formula that's actually easier to use.
I mean, just pause and think about that. In just the last few minutes, you've totally leveled up your spreadsheet game. You're not just someone who uses spreadsheets anymore, you're a full-on data detective, and you're armed with a secret weapon.
So, my question to you is this. With this new tool in your toolkit, what data mysteries are you going to solve first? What hidden information is waiting for you to find it? Go on, open up a spreadsheet and give it a try. The answers are waiting. Thanks for joining me on this one. Now go solve some mysteries.